Did you know that melatonin is the strongest natural hormone in your body to turn off the cytokine storm of spiraling inflammation? And when you're a 2-year-old, your melatonin level's around 400 picograms. When you're 70, it's around 20 to 30. You can take melatonin. We all should be taking melatonin. It's also an anti-cancer drug. It's not just your sleep hormone. So everybody should be on 3 milligrams of melatonin every night at bedtime. Those are simple things you can do. Selenium. Selenium is deficient in Wisconsin soils. There's a huge literature on selenium. You should be probably taking some selenium or eating a Brazil nut every day because it plays a big role in your antiviral response. But those are things you can do. Zinc helps you prevent from infections, getting a good night's sleep, hand washing, don't touch your eyes, all that, you've heard of that stuff. But there's a really exciting thing going on in terms of peptides. And let me just introduce here to just the concept of peptides. If I look at the human genome, inside each cell in your body, you have 6 meters of DNA, of which only 10% are your proteins. And the rest of it isn't junk. The rest of it is all sorts of fascinating information, like small protein chains. A peptide is a protein that's only 50 amino acids long. And we just sort of arbitrarily chosen 50. Most proteins are, 750 up to 5,000 amino acids long. But let's just say under 50. Well, let's say under 51, because insulin is 51. Insulin is an incredibly potent peptide. Everybody's heard of insulin. Okay, but there's other peptides, which are basically short chains of amino acids. Now we have 20 amino acids, so imagine you're making a string of pop beads of different colors. You have 20 different colors, and you have a string of pop beads. So let's just talk as an example about thymosin alpha-1. 28 amino acids long, 28 pop beads. You make boatloads of it when your thymus gland, when you're a 1-year-old, your thymus gland is as big as your heart. You do a chest X-ray on a 1-year-old, their thymus gland is huge. By the age of 3, it's almost disappeared. By the age of 5, you can't even see it on a lateral chest X-ray. By the age of 10, it's down to the size of a little bit of scar tissue. Thymosin alpha-1, you're making boatloads of it, huge amounts of it, as children learn to fight virus infections. Well, turns out it has a big role in fighting virus infections, which plays a big role right now. There are people in America right now, there's a protocol developed for giving thymosin alpha-1 in an aggressive program to folks in the ICU, and they're getting folks off the ventilators within a day.